Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in the Czech Republic? Let's explore. Construction jobs are always in demand, especially with strong economic growth in cities and infrastructure. The average annual gross salary for a construction worker in the Czech Republic is around $18,000, which comes down to about $1,500 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is roughly $14,800 or around $1,200 per month. Salaries vary by location. Workers in Prague usually make more, sometimes earning over $20,000 a year, while in smaller towns it can be closer to $15,000. Experience changes the pay. Entry-level workers might earn around $13,000 a year, while experienced ones can earn more than $22,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.